Here it is loading the App Engine Studio. That means basically, it will show you how the ServiceNow looks like. Little slow, the start taking some time. So meantime, let me open the ServiceNow 80s OpenA. Let me close the instance. Let me close the data. This so I have table our experience. Okay, I got kind of, no, this is not the true application. Is kind of template it gave me okay. You. Looks correct, only, but I don't know why I got that instance. Let me sign out from here. Okay, so it's now developer. That's the instance. If I click on the signing, that makes me all the tools. Basically, I want to let you know how to create a call. This account I have ready if I try to log in. Right. The signer will have been, but it will let you know the other instance which already I have that right. So it is the same way. I have a different email ID, but let me see if I can create a phrase account here. Okay, here you see, right before going to sign and sign up on Start Building These button, I believe. Let me access it again. Developer. So it's not instance. We tend to go to the second URL, right? So instead of signing, I have to go sign up and start building. Let me click here. Okay, this is the perfect, correct window and I will be giving my email ID here. What in the garden? And okay. So this is my first entry and country I will be choosing again here in India. Password I'll be giving and cultural. I am not a robot. Click on the condition and sign up. You have to click Next. We will be movie edit now, 36, 0.01 intestinos proper or not. Okay, now I can click on the request instance. Okay. Click here again. You. Where is the instance? Where the instance and I didn't see that. Actually, if I go to start, okay, so instance is ready. Now click on the My App search here. Why it is coming to see user? I don't understand here. Object, change it or what? Ideally it should give me to log into the things have been changed, or what now? That people changing the instance, so it looks like something else for me, okay. It says here, incident table will come. No, it's not coming at me. They go to my manage instance rate. The start creator instance it is coming from. Let me log into my other currency how it comes. Sign on the profile. I'll give you the instance username password. You can log into that. Let me sign in. Okay, not the same lady, the same I like. Maybe they have changed something. That's why it looks totally different now. Okay, if I come to this instance now, right, I'll request the instance. I request you see, this admin user is coming right. So I believe some problem with the user case and okay, so you can use this credential. Right. Go to service instance right. I'll give you the credential. You can log into this instance. I don't know, and let me see, why the new instance when I create, why it is taking to the other instance. So now, if I try to load this right, you will see a holistic view of the application was a great. Okay, close it. See, it should be. The art is in studio. Should look like this, not like that. Okay, and here in another admin user right, sister and etc. So now what I can do, if I click, alright, if I go to like incident and write. I can see all the instance listed over here, which is already by default, some incident, a page and write. When we have any issue, we use to raise incident. So if I go to the all right click on the all, you can see all the instance or incident being created here. So let me open the ServiceNow. Developer guide, right, and I will show you. Go to the document. And here I will have the rest, in case, and right, so we don't have the service. "9 days and grandma." And let me go on login and research Saviynt. Certificate Connect. Okay, click on the link. And here it will be listed, all your document. So I am interested in ServiceNow. Scroll down little bit. So this is the standard connector, right? I will be going to the ServiceNow. So once you are in the service, now right if it's on left side. So there is this thing, ServiceNow as a managed application. Click here and this document will give you all the details how you can configure a REST-OS application and everything okay. So this is for creating a connection, right? And once you prepare the connection, we can preparing the connection. JSON everything. So before that, right, I talk you once I have the instance right, I need to test it, right? So how we can test that, let's see. Okay, so it is asking for me to sign in. Let me sign into here, right, service, now right. And if you scroll down little bit, let me go to the now right in here. How the instance or the things looks like. That is a thing will be there. Let me close this Postman. Now I have loaded into my Postman instance if I go here or workspace. Right, let me see, I have already the workspace. You can create a workspace here and so build your API. So this is my whole API right application, what I have integrated till now. So these are my, the REST-OS application. If I open any of you the ServiceNow integration, right, let me open it. Right, how you see the create ticket. So basically I am giving your URL, whole name, everything here.